Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, our CNC apprentice is taking on a new challenge. Practicing 3D machining using Mastercam by milling a mountain. Let's see how he does. We gave him the step model of this mountain to learn 3D machining. He's going to learn facing, roughing, pre-finishing, and finishing. Let's dive in. First up, we've got facing. He's using a 1-inch fly cutter with sharp inserts meant to machine aluminum. Next, it's dynamic milling toolpath with a fancy, colorful 5/16 flat end mill. Ooh, shiny. Now, for the contour, he uses a 3/8 flat end mill. For the chamfer, he's using a 1/4-inch chamfering tool. All right, on to the second operation. OptiRough toolpath with the 5/16 flat end mill. Pre-surface finish parallel is up next with a 3/16 ball end mill. Getting closer to perfection. For the final finishing touch, he's using a 1/8 ball nose end mill. And to top it all off, he drills with a 1/8 drill. You'll see what that's for at the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with machining. See you next time.